I feel a little bit, how do you say that, powerless.
Well, it's not part of my daily thinking.
I don't know. It's a difficult discussion.
Yeah.
A little concerned, but not worried.
I feel that it's good that we have this discussion.
I couldn't say that I'm worried, and I couldn't say that I think about it every day, but I'm aware of it.
A little bit, but I'm not always thinking about it.
Some countries are more open to climate change, others no. I think here people are more aware.
But in daily life, you never notice, you never think about it, and there are so many other things that are not good and changing as well.
Yes, I think most people are because the media is making us aware of it, but I don't think that most people take care about it, like acting like they are worried, only saying that they are worried, but they don't act out like that.
I think everybody's making a big deal out of it, and at the same time, yeah, the world is changing in the same way as it always have, like before. Yeah, so I'm not that worried.
Yes, I worry.
People don't change, the climate will change, I think.
Well, we just talked about it a while ago. We kind of, in relation just for Holland, it was funny for us to think, well, maybe it can sink one day. And
You believe that we are close to hitting like a stage of big catastrophes?
well, I think the problem is probably yes, but the problem is we won't see it. Here it's a gradual process and it takes such a long time. I don't think it will happen like boom, one day we'll wake up and there's going to be like an atomic bomb. But it's happening, and maybe we don't see it here, but there are tsunamis in Thailand or whatever, so it really depends where it is, but it really depends how macro or how micro you look. I mean, so here in Amsterdam, we're kind of worryless because we don't see it. And I think people, if they start to really see things, they'll say, oh, wow. But as long as it's on TV and Al Gore makes a movie about it and everybody's like, yeah, okay, we'll maybe do something, but...
If Amsterdam will disappear, that's not a good thing to happen.
Well, the only thing I have noticed lately is that we haven't been able to do ice skating anymore in Holland. That's the only thing. When I was younger, we used to do it every year, just on the natural ice. But now, well, the last 10 years, I think it was impossible.
Well, the Netherlands is flat. So there's a lot of water, but there's also a lot of great technicians who can do something about it. So.
Yes, the ending of some places on Earth because of the sea, I don't know how to say it. The race of the sea.
Well, in Nederland, it's maybe floods. Yeah, every place has something different.
Yeah, and maybe that the differences between summer and winter are getting less.
My personally life, no. No, it's not in that way for my daily life. I think that there will be a long time before that kind of things may happen here. But there are other parts of the world where the disasters will be growing, but not here in Holland. Now maybe the water rises, but we manage one way or another, whatever the cost will be.
The level of the sea that's rising. When you see that a lot of Netherlands is gone, but also a lot of places in the world, go to Florida or California, it's just gone. Because you see the ocean and there's the land, and then you realize it's just 1 meter on top of it, and it's gone. And the second part that really worries me is when you see all the diseases we don't know from Brazil, Southern America, raising temperatures. That it threatens me too.
you're not going to change your way. As much as you are aware in your mind, and as much as you bring it into discussion when you're talking to people, and you're very much aware, or you think you are aware, but on the daily level, you have more things to worry about. You have to make money. You have to go, and you have your little routines that do not include this bigger picture. And once this bigger picture suddenly is at your doorstep, that's when you make the change. Unfortunately.